Welcome to Intelligence Gateway. What is the role of edge computing in disaster response? The role of edge computing in disaster response is to provide immediate processing and analysis of critical data at the edge of a network closest to where the data is generated, rather than sending it to a centralized location for processing. This can help to improve the speed, reliability, and efficiency of disaster response efforts by enabling real-time monitoring and decision-making, even in areas with limited or disrupted connectivity. By leveraging edge computing technologies such as sensors, IoT devices, and edge servers, emergency responders can gather and analyze data such as weather patterns, building damage, and resource allocation in real time, which can help to inform their response efforts and save lives. What is the role of edge computing in waste management? The role of edge computing in waste management is to provide real-time data processing and analysis at the edge of the network, allowing for more efficient and effective management of waste collection, sorting, and disposal processes. What is the role of edge computing in water management? The role of edge computing in water management is to provide real-time data collection, analysis, and control at the edge of the network, closer to the source of the data. This allows for faster decision-making, more efficient use of resources, and improved monitoring and management of water systems. What is the role of edge computing in air quality monitoring? Edge computing can play a crucial role in air quality monitoring by enabling real-time data analysis and decision-making at the edge of the network, closer to where the data is being generated. This allows for more efficient and effective monitoring of air quality and faster response times to potential issues or hazards. What is the role of edge computing in traffic management? The role of edge computing in traffic management is to process data locally, closer to the source of data generation, such as traffic sensors, cameras, and other IoT devices, to reduce latency and improve response times. This allows for real-time analysis and decision-making to optimize traffic flow and improve safety on the roads. What is the role of edge computing in building automation? Edge computing plays a critical role in building automation by enabling data processing and analysis to occur at the edge of the network, closer to the devices and sensors that collect the data. This can lead to faster and more efficient decision-making, reduced latency, improved security, and lower bandwidth requirements. What is the role of edge computing in asset tracking? The role of edge computing in asset tracking is to enable real-time processing and analysis of data collected from sensors and devices attached to the assets. This allows for faster decision-making and more efficient management of the assets, as the data can be processed and acted upon at the edge of the network, rather than being sent to a central location for processing. Additionally, edge computing can reduce the amount of data that needs to be transmitted over the network, which can help to lower costs and improve overall performance. What is the role of edge computing in supply chain management? Edge computing in supply chain management involves the use of computing resources and data processing capabilities at or near the edge of a network, such as at a warehouse or distribution center, to improve efficiency, speed, and accuracy of supply chain operations. Its role is to enable real-time data processing and decision-making, improve inventory management, enhance tracking and tracing of goods, and enable predictive maintenance and quality control. Overall, edge computing helps supply chain managers make more informed and agile decisions, leading to improved supply chain performance and customer. What is the role of edge computing in inventory management? Edge computing can play a crucial role in inventory management by enabling real-time data processing and analysis at the edge of the network, closer to the source of data. This can result in faster and more accurate inventory tracking and management, as well as improved supply chain visibility and responsiveness. What is the role of edge computing in customer experience? Edge computing can improve customer experience by enabling faster and more efficient data processing at the edge of the network, closer to the customer. This reduces latency and improves response times for applications and services, resulting in a better customer experience. What is the role of edge computing in virtual reality? The role of edge computing in virtual reality is to enable faster and more efficient processing of VR data and applications by bringing computation closer to the VR headset or device. This can improve the overall user experience by reducing latency and improving the quality of graphics and audio. What is the role of edge computing in augmented reality? The role of edge computing in augmented reality is to reduce latency and improve performance by processing data closer to the device or user instead of relying solely on cloud-based servers. What is the role of edge computing in mixed reality? The role of edge computing in mixed reality is to provide real-time processing and rendering of data and information at the edge of the network, close to the user's device. This helps to reduce latency and improve the overall performance and experience of mixed reality applications, which often require high levels of computing power and bandwidth. What is the role of edge computing in gaming? The role of edge computing in gaming is to reduce latency and improve the gaming experience by processing game data closer to the player, at the edge of the network, rather than in a centralized data center. What is the role of edge computing in e-commerce? Edge computing in e-commerce can improve the speed, reliability, and security of online transactions by processing data and executing tasks closer to the end user, at the edge of the network, rather than in a central data center. This allows for faster response times, reduced latency, and better user experiences, particularly in areas with poor internet connectivity. Additionally, edge computing can help e-commerce companies collect and analyze real-time data from connected devices, enabling them to offer personalized recommendations, optimize inventory management, and improve supply chain efficiency. What is the role of edge computing in social media? Edge computing can help social media platforms process and analyze data closer to the source of its generation, reducing latency and enabling faster responses. This can improve user experience and enable new capabilities such as real-time video processing, personalized recommendations, and targeted advertising. What is the role of edge computing in advertising? Edge computing can enable faster and more efficient data processing for targeted advertising by analyzing user data closer to its source and reducing the need for data transfer to centralized servers. This can lead to more accurate and personalized ad targeting, improved ad performance, and enhanced user experiences. What is the role of edge computing in data analytics? Edge computing brings data analytics closer to the source of data, allowing for faster and more efficient processing of data. This enables real-time analysis of data generated at the edge of networks, where devices and sensors reside, and can provide immediate insights and decision-making capabilities without the need for data to be transferred to a central location for processing. In short, edge computing plays a crucial role in enabling efficient and timely data analytics at the edge of networks. What is the role of edge computing in machine learning? The role of edge computing in machine learning is to bring computational power closer to the data source and reduce the latency and bandwidth issues associated with transmitting data to centralized cloud servers. By running machine learning algorithms on edge devices, such as sensors, smartphones, or IoT devices, data can be processed and analyzed in real time, leading to faster decision-making, improved efficiency, and better user experience. Additionally, edge computing can provide better privacy and security by keeping sensitive data on local devices instead of transmitting it over networks. What is the role of edge computing in deep learning? The role of edge computing in deep learning is to enable the processing and analysis of data at or near the source of the data, instead of relying on a centralized cloud computing infrastructure. By bringing the computation closer to where the data is generated, edge computing can reduce latency, improve reliability, and enhance privacy and security. This can be particularly beneficial for applications of deep learning, such as real-time image and speech recognition, where low latency is critical. Edge computing can also reduce the amount of data that needs to be transmitted to a central location, which can help alleviate bandwidth constraints and reduce costs. Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.